Hello guys, today I will show you how to use temporary mail just to create a temporary mail for you to use in your addresses when you sign up or in different type of applications. So we start, the first we go to Google and then we can write temporary mail. Email. Then it's the first website that it's open, tempmail.org. So we click it and we see that we have this website. We can just wait some moments that it will load. So we have this email that we can use. This is a temporary mail. So it says this button here, it says copy to clipboard. So we have some ads around the site. Here we have the copy to clipboard for the this email. Then refresh and change. So we have the copy. When we click the copy, we copy the email. When we refresh like the when we have taken some mail, and then we at the change we can change the email address here. When we do delete this address, it will generate another address like this. It's very easy, so you can use it to register in just any of website, whatever website you want. So you have here some articles, 10 minutes mail, that you can do a 10-minute mail and then it will generate another email. We can try it. So I opened it in a new tab, so it will generate an email and then after 10 minutes it will generate another email. So to try it, we go to the first email that we have and we just try a website to register, like, or we can register to Pinterest. Yeah, we enter there, we open Pinterest. I think it will ask us, we go to the sign up and then we put our email. We just click copy here, paste, we put the password and the age like 33. Okay, we click continue and that's it. You are connected with Pinterest, so you can use in every website you want. I don't want to do the sign up on the Pinterest, so I can show you another time, but it was only for just showing purpose. So this is the site. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and see you on the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.